In today's lesson, we'll discover how you can acquire new skills and knowledge with the assistance of ChatGPT. It doesn't matter if you are just beginning, have some experience, or even consider yourself an advanced learner. ChatGPT is here to be your helpful companion. Think of it as having access to a vast group of teachers who are ready to teach you anything. It's incredible. Imagine you are a newcomer to the world of programming. If you were starting from the very beginning, you might ask ChatGPT something like, "Teach me VBA programming as a complete beginner." When it comes to learning new things with ChatGPT, the possibilities are truly boundless. You receive exactly the information you request. What's truly remarkable is that there is no boundaries. When you combine ChatGPT with setting goals and keeping track of your progress, you're well on your way to a path of continuous learning and growth. By practicing regularly, using ChatGPT as your resource, exploring new skills, there is no limit to what you can achieve. So here in ChatGPT, I am writing a prompt to teach me VBA for Excel as a complete beginner and press enter. So you can see GPT gives me various steps and giving me some examples also. Restarting gives me how to enable the developer tab, how to open the VBA editor, and how to understand the VBA editor, how it works, code window, intermediate window, about giving the details about the VBA interface, and giving me also some codes here. So we open the Excel file, blank file, go to the developer tab and go to the VBA editor. Here in code window, we can copy the code from the GPT and paste here. So here is the code. We copy this code from GPT and go to the Excel VBA editor and paste this code here. So I am running this code here. You see, again, now I am changing in this code and change the name John with a new name Khan and run this code. And you see in the pop-up, here is the result. This is the change result. So again, I'm going to GPT and selecting another code and copy from here and delete this previous code and paste this new code here and press run. So you can see in this program, it's asking me enter your age and I am writing 27. Okay. Then its answer, you are an adult man. Again I am running it and this time I am writing 15, my age. So this time it gives me you are underage. Okay. Now I am writing another prompt in GPT window. Write a code to generate a table of a number selected by user. After writing this, press enter, and you can see GPT gives me a complete code and also the instructions here. So I am going to copy this code from here. Copy code and going to in Excel, delete this previous code and paste this new code here in the VBA editor and click run. After running, it's asking me enter the table number you want. So I'm writing 2 and you can see the table of 2 here in Excel sheet. It's the table of 2. Again, I am running this program. Same code, I am running enter. He is asking me to write the number. Now I am writing 5 and you can see here a table of 5s. And now you can see it very clear. Again, one time I am going to run this code again. Go to the run button, press. He is asking the number and this time I am writing 7. Enter and you can see the table of 7 is here. So using GPT, we can generate a lot of codes and write them in the VBA editor. We can run in the VBA editor and see the results we want.